October 14, 2019, saw the culmination of 4 years of restoration work on Denver and Rio Grande 168, a Baldwin 4-6-0. The trip celebrated the fundraising efforts of the Friends of the Cumbres Toltec and Trains magazine, who awarded its $10,000 2018 Preservation Award to the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad in Chama, New Mexico, to complete restoration work on D&RG 168. The grant sponsored restoration of number 168's boiler jacket. Hundreds of donors, including prominent philanthropic foundations, contributed to this $501,000 restoration project. Director of Special Projects for the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad, Stathi Pappas, says,
The jacket is in process right now. So we made the cardboard templates, and I just delivered them day before yesterday to Ecodynamics, which is a shop over in Monte Vista, and they're going to be doing the burnout work on the polished stainless steel 20-gauge jacketing. So our jacket is being made to the Baldwin standards with riveted seams, hook seams, clamps, etc. And then it will be blued like a fine firearm to imitate American iron, which was the typical jacketing material in the United States during our period of significance for this locomotive, which is about 1916. So the black oxide process that we will be going through with this jacketing will make a finish that is chemically about the same, but we're doing it on stainless steel. And what's good about the stainless is it will be far more durable than carbon steel.
Philadelphia's Baldwin Locomotive Works built the engine in 1883 for the Denver and Rio Grande. The locomotive continued its service for another 50 years and retired from the Denver and Rio Grande Western in 1938, when it was made a public park display in downtown Colorado Springs, Colorado. Work is never done on the railroad, and the season is almost over, so D&RG number 168 is put to work picking up a water car at Lava Tank that was used for the smaller engines such as D&RGW 315 and now D&RG 168. The water tank at Lava is no longer functional. After the car was coupled and the train was reversed, a ceremony was held at Lava Tank to honor the donors and the crew. On hand were Commissioner Dan Love and Matt Maybury and Kate Paul of the Colorado Springs Parks Department. Trains Magazine was represented by Thomas Scalf.
Okay, there you go.
All right. We're gonna do the couple.
John!
Come on.
This is the alcohol. I don't know
We need somebody like in the Golden Strike photo reaching out with a champagne bottle off the front, right? Yum up. All right. These are the moments. Are they not?
Yeah, they're the moments.
These are the moments.
Hey! Hey! Woo! And on to the Pacific.
On to the most practical route.
Non-alcoholic champagne was toasted, and President of the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad, John Bush, spoke briefly, saying,
"All right, we dedicate this locomotive to successful future use and strong partnership with the City of Colorado Springs, the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad." Here, here. Good job. Well done.
Nailed it. Awesome.
No actual champagne was injured making this move.
Fourth-generation railroaders engineer Max Casillas and fireman Carlos Lamas operated D&RG No. 168, with Cody Underwood serving as brakeman and Stathi Pappas working as the conductor. Veronica Bush, director of marketing for the C&TSR, and Adam Phillips, who recently joined the Special Projects team, were also on hand. The trip was well documented by photographers Jerry Day, Dick Bell, and Steve Forney.